Um, but I'm much more mathematically robust now than I was 4 years ago. So I'm pretty confident that I can answer most, if not all, questions they will ask me, unless there's like a genius there that can just see like 13 steps ahead of what my research is about.
So MTF, did you see the problem I saw? Well, it's a topology on brick and dryer conjecture. So I have a brick, I have a dryer, I have brick and sand dryer's conjecture, which is going to be a thesis that looks like you're going to see this type of arrow in there. You're going to see some FZs and the three phase and two phases that it does. And as long as it's an analytical process, you're analyzing this machine over to its full parts. The smallest parts over here of the electron or epsilon or one of those symbols that correlate the topology of that, it being a brick in that dryer for Schrodinger's cat or something. The shortest distance would be that Feynman diagram, dot equals. And that can do any variances of his map on his thesis. So topology is, let's look at the colleges and any people that they know. What do we know the common whole would be as far as an inverse square law, and start packing the thesis that serves the job in that form analytically. In general, analytics and is going to be the main process of any class of what you're talking about, coffee cup, donut, general's desk, of what general gravitational set. You may not beat the dean, so as you step down that, what is the Higgs particle when Higgs isn't in the room, right? I might 80% of the test, when Higgs isn't in the room, I'm the Higgs, or I'm the Higgs comparatively. But even at the base round rookie guy, you can't just have somebody that doesn't really see that topological land nav issue. Uh, I believe that that's the town, right? This is all the maps within it. As long as I have the ping file set up, I don't have to run that step later and just throw it in the zip drive when I'm working on that version of topology as a system, and it kind of compounds. And again, that's a teaching methodology to what do I think the unit is over there. Is it a 10-person unit, or is it a 100-person school? Am I teaching in a group of a class of Berkeley integral or MIT integrals in that way, or is it 10 to the 10 to the 10 on the number? Well, those topologies are going to give you very different line graphs or systems of how you're processing the information.